Need a lightning-fast and affordable way to turn any 2.5-inch hard drive or SSD into external storage? Well, what if I told you it's possible for under $4? Stick around. This might be the best budget storage upgrade you've seen all year. Welcome back to Top on Sale Product Recommendations, where we find the hottest tech deals on the internet. Today, we're checking out the USB 3.0/Type-C 2.5-inch HDD Enclosure, a sleek, tool-free external case that supports both HDDs and SSDs, all for just $3.73, down from $11.88. That's a huge 69% off. This enclosure supports most 7mm and 9.5mm 2.5-inch SATA 1, 2, and 3 drives, both HDD and SSD, with a maximum capacity of up to 4 TB. With USB 3.0 and SATA 3 support, you can enjoy data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. That's 10 times faster than USB 2.0, and the SATA 3.0 interface can reach a theoretical speed of 6 gigabits per second. It also supports UASP, which improves transfer speed, reduces CPU usage, and cuts down on data delays. No screwdriver needed. Just pop in your drive, connect it to your device, and you're ready to go. It's hot-swappable, works with Windows, Mac, and Linux, and even has an LED indicator to show drive activity. Imagine taking that old laptop hard drive and instantly turning it into an external backup drive, or upgrading to a blazing fast SSD without wasting your old one. With this enclosure, it's that easy. If you want to grab this amazing HDD enclosure for just $3.73, click the link in the description below to buy. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and drop a comment if you've used something similar.